Hey guys, earlier today I went to a call where I had recently replaced the compressor 2 months ago, and I'll try to leave a link. Customer called and said it was tripping a breaker, and I found that it had blown a fuse. I suspected the worst. Stay tuned, here it comes. Let's open her up and see if we can't figure out what in the world is tripping the breaker. I did everything right. I added a suction dryer. I replaced my capacitor. I'm just hoping and praying it's not the compressor again. Okay, so it looks like we blew a fuse. I gotta pull them out. All right, we blew a fuse. Let's see if we can figure out why. See if I can show y'all what I'm seeing. I'm showing mega ohms to ground. 4 or 5 mega ohms. Oh my God. All right, let's disconnect the compressor and ohm it again. All right, ohms to ground. I'm still showing 8, 9. Nothing here. 8, 9, and man. I think both of these motors are ECM motors out here and on the blower motor. We got to get to the compressor. I really don't want to have to replace this compressor again. All right, let's ohm it to ground and then ohm the windings. Okay, on my second attempt there, I was getting nothing to ground. Like 29 mega ohms. Basically open there. Let me get on the common lead and test it. That's 7 mega ohms to ground. Considering what I'm testing with, that's probably enough to trip a breaker or blow a fuse. All right, now let's ohm out the windings. The windings seem to be good. I'm gonna try to check that with the Copeland app. Application. Let's do electrical. Winding resistance 0.5. Common to start 1.3. 0.59. Those are off, especially for a new compressor. Plus or minus 7%. I think I have 1.7 or 1.8 and 0.8, so I was expecting 2.6 or 2.5, and that's what I got. So the windings internally for me are okay. That 7 mega ohms though, that bothers me. Now I'm testing and I'm not seeing hardly anything. I'm going to put all this back together and we're going to push in the contactor, check in rush, and see what happens. First though, I'm going to check this capacitor. That could be the whole problem. Nope, it's good. I brought this in case I need it. I got 2 new fuses. Oh my word, look what I just found. I apparently left these here. How about that? I'm gonna clean those up and they'll be good as new. Right, let's make sure I don't have power. I don't. I'm a little bit leery about putting my hands in something like this. That's like a $45, $50 set of needle nose. All right, we got low voltage, 248. Got that set for inrush. Let me see, compressor 230 volts, RLA 21, LRA 117. I'm below my lot rotor amps. Is it something else? Alright, that's going to be for my heat strips. But this one over here, let's take a closer look in there. Oh, that's tight. All those are tight. Well, I'm not thinking it's a compressor. Alright, at 21 amps or 22, should not blow a 30 amp fuse. But 30 amps on something this size is kind of small. Alright, if compressor's pulling 20 amps, compressor circuit 21.8. So it's within range, but still that's kind of high. Let's check other things like pressures and whatnot. Those pressures, suction seems a little bit low. But that head pressure is not high. It might need to clean the evaporator coil, but I don't see where that's causing. This pressure is causing a problem. Watch this for a little while. It looks like we got low subcooling and high superheat. But my pressures so I've got a low subcooling, but you see that head pressure 367 and high superheat. That kind of is making me lean towards that TXV right there, which is a much simpler repair. And you know, if that head pressure gets high enough, my amp draw could actually cause that to trip a breaker. We're at 22.7 amps right now. Okay, so I may not have been able to explain everything right there at the end. It had a really high head pressure getting up towards 400 psi, a depressed suction, and high superheat. I do believe that was the reason my first compressor failed. I had to recover a little bit of Freon because the higher the pressure goes, the higher the amp draw goes, and that's what was blowing that little fuse. So we're going to have to return probably this weekend and replace a TXV on that one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.